My name is Joshua Man. I'm a Golik student. Issuing 4 Python programs, and this is a guessing game that I wrote. And it's Python libraries are like toolkits of and code you can use to save time and add cool features to your program without building everything from scratch. Library is a collection of functions and modules to do specific tasks like math, graphics, data, or web stuff. While loop is one of the best tools in Python toolkit for repeating things until a condition changes. And while loop continues running as long as the condition is true. And we send the import to random, so random number, and secret number variable is set equal to a number between 1 and 100, both integers, and guess count is 0, but once I start guessing, it'll go up, then print will come to the number guessing game, then I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 100 so they know what to guess for, and \n to create lines between them, then make the while loop set to true, and set the guess and the input to take a guess. The guess count goes up 1 every time there's a guess. If the guess is less than the secret number, it'll print too low. If it's too high, it'll print too high. Then it'll print it. If you get it right, it'll print congratulations, you guessed the secret number and your amount of guesses, which is up there. And tries, then the number was blank, whatever the random number was, and it will break the loop because we type break right here. And if, elif, and else, the if, elif, and else statements in Python let your program make decisions, kind of like choosing different paths based on conditions. If condition 1, do this if condition 1 is true. Elif, do this if condition 1 is false and condition 2 is true. And else, do it if neither of the conditions are true. Both of them are false. And these are what they all mean. Equal to, greater than or equal to, less than, equal to, and multi-line comment, then print. Let's see what grade you will get. We put grade set equal to an input, which is enter your grade and space for input that the users will give. And if is the grade is greater than or equal to 90, you'll get an A. The elif, which is do it if this one is false and greater than or equal to an 80, and you'll get a B. The next one is 70, you get a C, and it keeps going down. If you get else, better luck next time, which should be an E or an F. Declaring variables. Variables are equal to a variable in Python is a name that stores value, like a container. It's close to my mouth for a reason, which you can use and change throughout your program. Variable name was set equal to a string, my name. Age was set equal to 15 for value. Height was set equal to 6'1". And is student is set equal to true. Integer float because there's a period in it. Then true or false would be a Boolean variable. Then print the variable and it looks up if it's set equal to anything. It prints that. It does it for all the other three. Variable variable input value. If you want to create variables based on your user's input, you can use the input function in Python, and it allows you to ask the user for data and then store that data in a variable. The input variable always returns a string. If you want a number, you'll need to cast it into an integer or float. So we printed birthday party and printed a line between it. Please fill out the following information so I can plan your birthday party. Then set first name and set equal to an input where the user can put their first name, and last name set equal to their last name. Then age is equal to input, which the user can input their age, and print welcome, then comma, plus first name, which is up what the user puts, then space, then last name, and it searches what the user filled in for their last name to our birthday app. Then first name, I can see you are blank their age plus years old. Then you'll need their cast it into a string, the age into a string, then plus 1 to add 1 to it. Birthday candles to your cake. And the more efficient code is just less spaces and remove most of the pluses and replace them with commas because they're all the same. They'll stay the same. Space there, no space there.